In last time's presentation, we studied about the beast that rose from the sea. And we noticed that that beast that rose from the sea is a symbol of the Roman Catholic papacy. Now, I want to make it very clear that we are not opposed to Roman Catholics. We're talking about a system. We're not talking about the individuals within that system. There are very many sincere, loving Christians within that communion. But we're talking about the Roman Catholic Church as an organization or as a hierarchy. Now, you remember, if you were here last time, that we noticed that the fourth beast of Daniel chapter 7 has 4 stages of dominion. The first stage of dominion is, of course, the dragon beast ruling by itself. That represents the Roman Empire. Then, from the head of that dragon beast come 10 horns, which represent the 10 divisions of the Roman Empire. The Roman Empire was fragmented as a result of the barbarian invasions. And then we notice that a little horn rises among the 10. That represents the Roman Catholic papacy, which ruled for 1,260 years, from 538 to 1798, when the Pope was taken prisoner by Napoleon's general, Berthier. And then we notice that there was a period of time in which that little horn, or the beast, remained inactive because the secular governments of the world maintained this system bound. In other words, they did not allow this system to use them. The Bible uses the symbolism of the sword. They did not allow the church to use the sword of the state. And so for about 200 years after the French Revolution, the Roman Catholic Church has not been able to use the civil powers of the world to persecute. But we noticed also in our study that this deadly wound is going to be healed. The sword is going to be returned once again to this system. And all the world, the Bible says, is going to wonder after this system, is going to wonder after the beast. And you say, how in the world could this wound be healed? How is it possible that any nation in the world would allow this system once again to climb on it and to use that government or to use that secular power as a sword to persecute once again those who are not in harmony with the teachings of the church? Well, today we're going to study a little bit about the healing of that deadly wound. We're going to identify a second beast in Revelation 13. This beast does not rise from the sea, it rises from the earth. And this beast is actually going to return the sword to the first beast. You see, this second beast from the earth is going to make an image of the first beast. This second beast is going to command all of the world to worship the first beast. In fact, this second beast is going to command everyone on earth to receive the mark of the beast. By the way, in the future, we're going to have one lecture on the image to the beast. We're going to have another lecture on the mark of the beast. And we're going to have still another one on the number of the beast. So each one of those aspects we are going to study. But today we want to identify the power or the nation that is going to return the sword to the sea beast or to the Roman Catholic papacy. In fact, do you know that the Bible says that when the sword is returned to the sea beast, that the sea beast is actually going to be able to kill through this power, through this nation that rises, is going to be able to kill everyone who is not in harmony with her teachings. We find that in Revelation chapter 13 and verse 15. Where it says, he was granted power to give breath to the image of the beast, that the image of the beast should both speak and cause as many as would not worship the image of the beast to be killed. Yes, persecution will arise again, just like it existed during the Middle Ages.